Sabe bueno.
Wait, your ice cream knows good?
No, it tastes good.
Wait, you can use saber as to taste?
Yeah.
Welcome back to Anytime Español. Today we're going to talk about saber not as to know, but as to taste. Saber as to taste can be used as a noun or a verb. As a noun, we use the word sabor. The chicken has a good flavor. El pollo tiene buen sabor. I don't like it. It tastes bad. No me gusta. Tiene mal sabor. As a verb, saber has the same conjugation, whether we use it as to know or to taste. But here's the difference. Saber talks about the taste as in the flavor of something, specific, so you'll only ever use it in the third person singular or plural. So don't be like me and try to use it in the first person and say something like, I don't taste the strawberry in this milkshake. No sé la fresa en este batido. Remember, always third person, singular or plural. I don't taste the strawberry in this milkshake. No me sabe a fresa este batido. Este batido no sabe a fresa. Notice too that when you're using saber as to taste, you have to put an a after it if it's followed by a noun. It tastes like chicken. Sabe a pollo. It tastes like chocolate. Sabe a chocolate. The coffee tastes very bitter. El café sabe muy amargo. Let's see some other examples in some different tenses. In the past, we could say, it tasted good. Sabía rico. The brownie tasted too rich to you. Te supo demasiado rico el brownie. Or in the future tense, we could say, it'll taste better if you add spices. Sabrá mejor si le agregas especias. Or even in the conditional tense, it would taste better if you hadn't burned it. Sabría mejor si no lo hubieras quemado. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a like and subscribe so that we can keep making more videos to improve your Spanish. Okay, now that you understand how to correctly use saber, be careful not to mix it up with the word probar, because probar also means to taste, but it's used more when you want to express to try a food or to try something. Taste the spaghetti. It's delicious. Prueba el espagueti. Sabe delicioso. I hadn't tried seafood before, but I like it. No había probado los mariscos antes, pero me gustan. When I travel, I like to try new food. Cuando viajo, me gusta probar comida nueva. Now, probar also has a couple different meanings that don't have to do with taste, like to try on clothes, for example, so don't get confused when you hear other expressions with probar. And just as a little bonus note, we have the verb saborear. Now, you can use this as to taste also, but it means more to savor, like to savor food, or you can even savor an experience. We ordered several beers and are savoring this moment. Pedimos varias cervezas y estamos saboreando este momento. I invite you to taste or savor this artisanal ice cream. Te invito a saborear este helado artesanal. Okay, now you know that saber just doesn't mean to know, it can also mean to taste. And don't get it confused with probar when you want to try food, or saborear when you want to savor food. Now watch this video to better your Spanish. Until next time.